Welcome to the final lesson in the IT entry Sysadmin track. Today, we're talking cloud. The cloud is just someone else's computer. When you put a server in AWS or Azure, you're renting computing power from Amazon or Microsoft instead of buying hardware yourself. The advantage is scale. You can spin up a server in minutes, use it for an hour, and pay only for that hour. AWS and Azure both offer free tiers, limited accounts that let you build and learn without spending money. As a sysadmin, you should sign up for both and get hands-on. In AWS, the core services to know are EC2, virtual machines, S3, file storage, and VPC, your private network in the cloud. You can launch an EC2 instance, connect to it via SSH, install a web server, and have a live website running in 15 minutes for free. In Azure, the equivalents are virtual machines, more blob storage, and virtual networks. Azure integrates tightly with Windows Server and Active Directory, so if you're coming from a Windows background, Azure feels familiar. Here's your homework. Create an AWS free tier account. Launch a Linux EC2 instance. Connect to it with SSH. Install Apache. Put up a simple web page. Take a screenshot. That hands-on experience is worth more than any video I can make. You've completed the IT entry sysadmin track. Next, explore the AI applied track or the pro tier for hands-on cloud labs.